you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold on the smaller time frames. But before we look at the smaller time frames for gold, XAUUSD, we are going to look at what has happened on the higher time frames, and I'll be starting with the daily time frame using pivot analysis. On the daily time frame, we have the pivot line to be at 2509.01, and we have the first resistance as 2524.42, while we have the first support at 2488.99. For today, gold on the daily time frame opened below the pivot line. You can see gold has crossed above the pivot line and is almost tested. The price almost tested 2524.42, which is the first resistance. Mind you, we have the first support at 2488.99. So we might see the price of gold testing and crossing above the first resistance. But if price drops, price might drop below the pivot line and test the first support at 2488.99. One more thing to look at is the candlestick for yesterday. Yesterday's candlestick is a bearish candlestick, and it's engulfing previous day's candlestick. Look at this yesterday's candlestick engulfing previous day candlestick. We might see today's candlestick ending up as a bearish candlestick, but if that does not happen, we might see today going past above or testing the all-time high level. So that's that. But overall, the price of gold is currently ranging on the daily time frame, with this part being the range top and this particular part being the range, is our range bottom. Alright, but we have an inner range bottom, more like two levels of range bottom, which is at this particular, or the mid-range, let's call it mid-range. Alright, so but price is ranging between the mid-range and the upper range. Now we have the lower range around here. So price is more like ascending upwards. If you look at the ascending trend line, is currently being respected as price is yet to break it. Ascending trend line currently being respected as price is yet to break it. The previous ascending trend line was broken yesterday, but more like a test. It was not a confirmed break, as price is able to bounce above that line. I'm talking about this previous ascending trend line. It was broken, but price didn't really close or continue to drop from the low. Rather, we can see price pushing up, more like price is preparing to break this resistance layer. So, but for now the range continues, but price is gradually ranging up. We might see price shooting above the all-time high. The all-time high level still remains the 2531 level. Right, let's look at the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price of gold is going up, still going up. Look at looking at the ascending trend line. This is the ascending trend line, well respected, and price continue to move far away from it. We have another ascending trend line around here on the monthly time frame. It's also well respected as price continues to move far above it. We also have another one around here, so makes it three ascending trend line on the monthly time frame. So we expect price to break this first before breaking this, and before breaking this for us to start to see some massive drop of the price of gold. But for now, as price has already taken a shift, a serious shift from the initial range top, which is at this level. As the price continues to push high and high and high without looking back. So we might expect price to continue to push further up. Alright, that's that for the monthly time frame. If price is going to drop on the monthly time frame, we have this particular demand level. There's a demand level at this point. Price might find some buyers at that level, and we have another demand level at this point. Price might find buyers at this level. I'm talking about the 2326 level and the 2100 level. Price might find demand at that level on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, let's look at what we have on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame shows that price of gold has broken the recent range. It has broken out of the recent weekly range. We have the range top to be somewhere around here, and we had a clean breakout. A clean breakout, it retests, and then price starts to form bullish candles above the breakout zone. Alright, also price is respecting the ascending trend line. This was plotted on the monthly time frame, and it is in line with that of the weekly time frame, while it is being respected by price. Price is not attempting to break below it. A break below this, price will test this level, and a break below this level, price will want to test this level. But for now, we have more green candles on the chart, more than that of the red candle. So the buyers are still winning for now. And if price is going to drop, we have this particular level as our first demand level, 2436. We have another level at this point, 2330, and we have another demand level at this point, 2166. So those are places where buyers are lined up. Buyers might likely push price up from there. On the daily time frame, what do we have? Price is still buying. Price of gold is buying, but for now it's ranging. Like I said initially at the start of this video, price of gold is currently ranging on the daily time frame, but we might want to consider this bearish engulfing candlestick around here. Today we'll be having high impact news from the US with respect to gross domestic product data, GDP data. But I see price of gold trying to drop a bit to the range low, the lower part of the range, before shooting up. The overall direction is still bullish. This bearish engulfing candlestick is at the top, quite alright, but at the upper range, so it might be of little significance. Might still expect price of gold to continue to go up. But if price is going to drop, where are the demand levels where price might likely test before going up? We have a level around here, that's the 2458 level. We have another level around here, that's the 2391 level. We have another demand level around here, that's the 2332 levels. Those are the levels that we expect price to get to, and then find some buyers and continue to go up. But the overall direction for the price of gold is still bullish. Alright, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What do we have on the 4-hour time frame? On the 4-hour time frame, it's more obvious that price is ranging. Price of gold is ranging on the 4-hour time frame. This is the range top on the 4-hour time frame. Where's the range bottom? For now, this is the range bottom on the 4-hour time frame. So, but price is now ranging upwards. You can see price ranging upwards and giving us like a triangle. Okay, we might expect price, if it's going to drop, we might see something like this, for price to continue to range into a more smaller point where it breaks out to the top. This is likely. There are sellers at this level. I'm talking about the 2529 level, while buyers continue to push, will continue to push price up. Buyers stepped in at this point. Now the level should be expected to, the buyers should be expected to be at around 2507 or 2508 for more buyers to join in and for price to continue to go up. But if price is going to drop, where are the other blocks? We have this particular other block around here, 2455. All right, that's a particular point where buyers might come in. We have another block at 2432. This was initially tested. We have another one close by, 2424, and then we have this particular other block, 2389 level. But for now, price of gold is ranging upward, and we are having this is a low, this is a higher low, higher low, higher low, and the price continues to give us this is a high, higher high, lower high, low, higher high, lower high, higher high, until we see more higher high, higher high. So price, the structure is bullish for now, but currently ranging on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, what do we have? You can see a top, another top, and price of gold is currently forming another top. Alright, more like a triple top. Remember, I made mention that yesterday's candlestick was, that looks like that of a bearish engulfing candlestick. So we might see price of gold deep to collect more buyers before going up. It's forming another top, but it's not really confirmed yet, because we have this particular other block here on the 1-hour time frame. Price might get to this level 2512 to find buyers and continue to form a higher high. This is a low, this is a high. We might see higher low around there before we find higher high that might tally with the recent resistance around here. Okay, but for now, the ascending trend line on the 1-hour time frame is still intact. This ascending trend line is intact on the 1-hour time frame. So if price is going to drop, my expect price to either drop to 2512 or drop to around 2506 or 07, where we have this particular order block. If this order block fails, price might get to this other block to find buyers. But if the two other blocks fails, then price might be testing to drop, and then we have price dropping as low as 2477 for the triple top or head and shoulder pattern to be perfected. But that is not likely for now. Looking at this particular ascending trend line, we might see sellers being cut off around here for buyers to step in and push price up. On the 30 minutes time frame, price of gold is ranging, currently ranging. Our range low is at 2494. Our range high is at 2529. So price is ranging. There's a balance between the buyers and sellers as far as the 30 minutes time frame is concerned. We have a high, we have a low, we have a higher high, lower low. We are seeing a lower high. You might see a higher low, then possibly higher high. So the range continues. Same with the 15 minutes time frame. Price is ranging just like what we have on the 30 minutes time frame. Price is ranging. Wait for range breakout before you take your trade decision. On the 5 minutes time frame, price of gold is currently bullish. Currently bullish on the 5 minutes time frame. Currently bullish. So you might want to wait for more. You might want to look out for more buying opportunities on the 5 minutes time frame. Look out for more buying opportunities as buyers continue to push price up. So that's that for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button. Thank you to our current subscribers for subscribing to the channel. If you like the video, why don't you smash the like button? Drop comment below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your questions. We have our website, www.fxfables.com. You can visit our website to learn more about trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.